Meditation is the habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Today we will discuss 12 health benefits of meditation. Many styles of meditation can help reduce stress. Meditation can likewise reduce symptoms in people with stress-triggered medical conditions. Habitual meditation can help reduce anxiety and improve stress reactivity and coping skills. Some forms of meditation can improve depression and reduce negative thoughts. It may also decrease levels of inflammatory cytokines, which could contribute to depression. Self-inquiry and related styles of meditation can help you know yourself. This can be a starting point for making other positive changes. Several types of meditation may build your ability to redirect and maintain attention. The improved focus you can gain through regular meditation may boost your memory and mental clarity. These benefits can help fight age-related memory loss and dementia. Metta, or loving-kindness meditation, is a practice of developing positive feelings, first toward yourself and then toward others. Metta increases positivity, empathy, and compassionate behavior toward others. Meditation develops mental awareness and can help you manage triggers for unwanted impulses. This can help you recover from addiction, manage unhealthy eating, and redirect other unwanted habits. A variety of meditation techniques can help you relax and control runaway thoughts that can interfere with sleep. This can shorten the time it takes to fall asleep and increase sleep quality. Meditation can diminish the perception of pain in the brain. This may help treat chronic pain when used to supplement medical care or physical therapy. Blood pressure decreases not only during meditation, but also over time in individuals who meditate regularly. This can reduce strain on the heart and arteries, helping prevent heart disease. If you're interested in incorporating meditation into your routine, try a few different styles and consider guided exercises to get started with one that suits you. The bottom line is, meditation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. You can do it anywhere, without